Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to join Binance Learn and Earn program. First thing first, sign into your Binance account and visit the Learn and Earn landing page on Binance Academy. Browse the available courses. Each one shows the type of crypto reward you can earn. You must complete identity verification on your Binance account to be eligible for rewards. Select a course and click Start Course. Read the articles and or watch the videos provided, then complete the quiz at the end. If you pass, you'll receive a token voucher reward. After passing the quiz, rewards are distributed within 48 hours. Just go to reward history in your account to check the distribution status. Finally, open account, Reward Center. Find your token voucher and click Redeem to claim your crypto. Token vouchers are valid for 14 days only. Be sure to redeem them before they expire. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.